parts are finally starting to arrive for the Bronco here. And today we have an installation that's going to be easy, but it's also going to improve the driving experience a whole bunch. And that product is the JB4. As you guys saw in the last video, we got this blow-off valve adapter installed. Pretty easy install, but I'm pretty sure the JB4 is going to be way easier. Plug and play, just a few sensors that you got to plug in line. I got the Bluetooth module. We have to run this through the firewall, which is going to be really easy because if you come over here, Ford already has a plug for you right down there. So we're just gonna punch that through onto the floorboard of the Bronco, cut a slit in that, and then run that wire through there. We're gonna sticky mount the JB4 itself up there. Don't really feel like drilling holes into my firewall on my new vehicle here, even though it doesn't look new. So first thing we're gonna do here, since I got the wireless connection kit, take this apart and get that installed. 2.5 millimeter Allens. Once you get that apart, obviously this plugs in right there. They give you a couple Phillips to hold that in place, and then it comes out the side just like that. All right, now we mount it. All right, so now we'll go ahead and come over here, plug everything in. Looks like we got this one up here. Just pull it back. There we go. Like such here. There's that. The other one is right here. There. So same thing here, plug this in there, and then this one into the stock location. So now we cut a little slit in here, feed this wire through the grommet into the engine bay and into the JB4. All right, so we got everything installed here. You can go ahead and take a look at how I routed everything for wiring. This big thick one back along that harness comes forward down here and up, splits off. Have one zip tie up here to hold this connector up, one right here to hold this thick harness on the JB4 up, and then the small wire branches off from over here, came up, looped around, zip tied there, zip tied there, zip tied there. For the OBD2, zip tie there, and one right there. So I think now we are good to get on the app and pair the device and then take it out for a rip. Okay, that was really easy to connect. All I did was create an account, click connect, turn on the vehicle, and we are now connected. Got gauges, settings. So we want to go to map 5, and that means we need to go to the gas station, get some octane booster. I have some that I use for the black vet over there. Lethal Performance, when they did their testing on the dyno, they used half a can of Boostane. Boostane is supposed to increase your octane by 23 points, which is really about 2 points, have you 2.3. So up here in the Pacific Northwest, 92, that would take it to, well, really 93 by that logic. Luke's Oil one, I use a whole bottle, and it's supposed to increase by 31 points, so 3.1 octane, if you will. So that would take me up to 95. So we're gonna try that out. All right, so we are filled up now. Got our Lucas Oil octane booster in there. Go ahead and connect. And then settings, map 5. Oh boy. Here we go. We'll start off nice and easy, and we'll roll into it a little bit. Definitely feel a difference just rolling around. We're gonna go ahead and go into sport mode now, because why not? Might as well give her all the beans. All right. The blow off is boost. I think map 5 is supposed to make up to like 5 pounds more. Mind you, it is 98 degrees out now, so when it cools down tonight, it'll probably be running a little bit healthier. But right off the bat, oh yeah, blow off is always going off. Sport mode plus JB4, phenomenal. All right, let's get a slight launch here. Yeah, she pulls a bit harder. Nice, nice. Okay, so yeah, the JB4 adds a little bit of power for sure. It certainly is nice to be able to change between all the different maps. If you're running pump gas 92, 93, 91, you have access to ethanol race gas. We'll have to do some more testing with all the different maps, acceleration and all that. The lower maps, there's definitely a noticeable increase over stock, and of course the higher maps, there's a lot bigger of an increase. Torque limiter's still there, it's just a piggyback controller. But yeah, overall, you definitely pick up some power. And for those looking for just a little bit extra, the JB4 is probably what you're looking for. I think that is gonna wrap it up though for the JB4 install and well, the first drive with it. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, share, and subscribe. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, let me know down in the comments which tuner on the market for the Bronco you think is the best, and be sure to stay tuned for more mods coming on the Bronco soon.